good morning, good afternoon. So, patuloy lang tayo. So, I think, yung 5 actually, madaling-madali yan. You can solve it. So, isasama ko lang kasi iba-iba yung problem dyan. O parang 5A, ibang problem, 5B. So, i-solve nyo na lang kasi isasama ko yan sa quiz. Which is easy. Punta tayo dito sa number 7. Mathematical description of a wave. Dito. Transverse waves on a string have a wave speed of 8 meters per second. So, isulat natin yung mga given natin. Waves have a wave speed 8 meters per second. Wave speed. V, may tayong V. V is equal to 8 meters per second. Okay, tapos next, meron tayong amplitude of 0.077. Amplitude is 0.07 meters. 0.07 meters and wavelength of 0.320. Lambda is 0.320 meters. Then the waves travel in the negative x direction, and at t is equal to 0 and x equal to 0, end of the string has its maximum upward displacement. T is equal to 0 and x, meaning sa simula ng pag-graph natin, kasi time 0, x0, end of the string has its maximum upward displacement. So, nasa amplitude siya, which is wavelength, ito amplitude 0.07. So nasa 0.07 yung taas niya. Ito yung ibig sabihin, the string has its maximum upward displacement, meaning nasa amplitude. Find the frequency, period, and wave number. Sa A muna, frequency. I think frequency is pwede ka pang hindi pumunta doon. Your frequency would be V all over lambda. Sa substitute, that would be an 8 meters per second all over lambda, which is 0.320 meters. Cancel. So that would be per second or hertz. Diba? So that would be 8 divided by 0.320, and that will give us 25 hertz. 25 per second or cycle per second, or yung unit nito is hertz. Yun yung meaning ng hertz, cycle per second. So, find ko the frequency. Ano pa yung pinaghahanap niya? Find the frequency period. So, period is just the inverse of your frequency, or 1 all over 25 per second. So, magiging second to siya. So, 1 divided by answer, that would just be 0.04. 0.04 seconds. Meaning, ganun kabilis. Sa 0.04 seconds, nakakaisang wave siya. And then, period, and the wave numbers. So, wave numbers are, I think this is yung wave numbers. Tingnan natin dito. Yung wave numbers natin is, ano bang notation ng wave numbers? I think baliktad siya ng wave numbers. Ito, yung K dito yung wave number. Yata. Hinapin natin. Wave number, saan ba yan? Asan yung wave number dito? I think the wave number is K. Hindi ito yung parang baliktad siya na ng wavelength. Ilang if I'm not mistaken, yung wave number dito is K. Hindi to yung K doon sa oscillations, sa oscillations naman. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali ha. Parang, yung wave number dito is itong K. K. Parang baliktad siya kasi ng omega. Tension, speed, transfer, mass per unit length yung U. Hindi ako nagkakamali, ito yung K, where K is 2 pi or over lambda. Anyway, solusyon ko na, tingnan ko na lang. 2 pi all over lambda, yung K is 2 pi all over the wavelength lambda. Sa 2 pi all over lambda is 0.320 meters. So, parang kwanto siya cycle per meter. Diba? Cycle per meter. So, 2 pi divided by 320. 2 pi divided by 3.320. That would be or radian. Radian per meter. 19.6. 2 pi radian parang. 2 pi radian or no unit. Or per meter lang, 19.6 per meter or meter to the negative 1. Or usually ito nakikita ko 19.6 meter to the negative 1. Or pwede mo lang lagyan sa taas radian. Yung radian cycle tatanggal lang yan. Okay? So naka-radian mode tayo. Okay, tingnan natin yung answer. 25.04, 19.6 tayo, radian. Pwede mo lagyan ng radian per meter, 2 pi radian, 0.04 seconds. Talagyan lang natin or per meter or pwede lang yan siya 19.6 radian per meter. Kumbaga, ilang degree na sa bawat meter. Radian per meter. Parang ganun. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. Patuloy lang tayo next.